Hey guys, welcome to another Tactical Tuesday with OM Performance Marketers. For today's Tactical Tuesday, we're doing things a little different. Rather than showing a specific strategy or tactic, we decided to do a overview and demo of one of the tools we like to use. The tool today we're going to be going over is HelloBar. It's a tool that helps add notification bars to your sites. Implementation is very easy. It gives you a pixel code. Typically, we add this through Google Tag Manager. Extremely simple. It just goes directly in the head of the page. Very easy. So this, whenever you sign into your account, this is where you will land. Here's the left main navigation, and you begin on the summary page. This just shows a few metrics for your specific pop-up. For these guys specifically, we have a modal pop-up. So we've had 367 views. You can track calls. You can track emails collected. The goal for this one was clicks to URLs. We had 18 clicks. Then a separate goal for social conversions. So each one of these four right here are different goals, and it will always track your views of the pop-up or notification bar. So from summary, you can navigate to manage. This just shows your current pop-ups and notification bars. So we have one here. This is our active one. You can go to all, see the previous ones we've had. Shows click-through rates. You can A/B test pop-ups. It shows views, conversions, the age of the pop-up, what the goal type, all these types of things. From there, we can go to analyze. This, just going into depth within the summary, not too in depth on the analytics part, but just gives you a good idea of the trend and how well your pop-up is working. So the fourth we have here is contacts. If you do decide to create a pop-up that has a main goal of emails collected, here is where you will see all the contacts that are collected from that pop-up. They have also added this new beta called Hello Mail. This is for the paid subscription. There is a free subscription, which is typically what we use. But for the paid subscription, this just allows you to run drip campaigns and send emails, and they're trying to get into that space. You have your settings here. Nothing. You just add your URL to your site, time zone, billing. If you have an upgraded plan, like I said, there is a free plan. And then help. Of course, they have a help desk if you do need anything. The main area to create a pop-up, or the only area that is the button down here, create new pop-up. And as previously discussed, you select your goal. So there's 5 goals. You can collect an email, get phone calls to direct users to that phone call, target a URL. Let's say you have an ebook on your site. You want to direct people to that ebook, use that URL. Social traffic, if you're really trying to build those social channels, you can push people towards those channels. Or if you just have an announcement, let's say you're having a sale or a much broader initiative that you just want to announce to your customers, but not necessarily direct them anywhere, you can do that as well. So once you select your goal, you can select your type. There's the top bar, the modal, entire page takeover, slider, alert. Of course, you want to choose your type of hello bar based on the goal you have. If this is a very large and urgent initiative, you may want to do a page takeover, or if this is just an extra added value, but nothing too urgent, you could add a bar, for instance. It's at the top of the page, doesn't take too much space, but still creates that sense of urgency. Your design, they have multiple templates that you can use to style towards your site. You can change colors, really customize it. The only thing, you can remove the hello bar with upgraded plans. And this just goes through all the styling. Within the settings, you can decide if you want to pop them immediately on exit intent. Like I said, just really fully customizing the settings of this hello bar. So from there, you just publish now and you're done. If you guys have any more questions, feel free to reach out. Thanks for tuning in.